Went down to the hardware store and bought myself a nice little knee pad like this. And I used to use just the foam ones. And when I saw this one, I didn't really like it at first because it had vinyl over the foam with a little handle. But I've had this thing forever. Well, I don't know, 6-7 years. It always comes in handy. Okay. It's not that difficult to plant flowers and such. Grab some of my Miracle Grow soil, put that in there. Yeah, anybody can do this. I'm not sure why I'm making this video other than the fact that maybe there's some people out there who don't know how to do this or afraid to do this. I'm just showing you, if I can do it, of course you can do it too. Okay, so see, I'm just holding it here. I grab some of this, kind of push it around there, put some on the back side. Then I can kind of hold it over here, get some more on there. There, just like that. Okay, here's my next one. Yeah. Ooh, there's a big rock there. We'll just have to see how these go. I didn't really want them too close to the wall anyways. Probably could have put this one a little closer there, but you know, I didn't. We'll just have to see how it goes. If I ever want to, I could always add 1 or 2 more, let's say. How am I going to water these? Yes, you're going to have to stick around and see that, because I've got, my mother has a drip irrigation system, and I'm going to show you all about that and how to tap in to the existing line and bring some pipes over here and run some little drippers, all that fun stuff. I don't normally get into all that, but you know what? I can do it. So can you. Just keep watching and I'll show you how. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy indeed. Okay. Alright, I got 2 left. Boy. Where am I going to put these? Maybe one about here, I guess, and one down here, huh? See, I've already kind of changed where I was going to put those because the rocks kind of went away. Get yourself kind of a happy medium as to where they're going to go. Ooh, somebody's excited over there. Just depress that with your hand a little bit. Take that, push up on it. Lift it upside down. Okay. Oh, how cute. Put that in there. You just don't want to get this down too low from the ground, from the existing top part of the soil. You know what I mean? Just don't get it down too low. Happy medium, eyeball it. And then we can always kind of move the dirt around when we get done. Okay, one more. I'm going to put it right about here, I guess. This soil looks pretty good, actually. But putting this other, could I use that for there? Yeah, I could. This just gives each plant a little bit of a boost. Be happier, they'll grow a little bit better, especially if your soil is hard pan or clay. Lots of clay in it, lots of rocks in it. This gives it a little bit of a head start, you know. Okay. Yeah, I'm working fast because it's going to be dark pretty quick, and I want to get this done. I was supposed to get this done. You've been watching my videos. I was supposed to do this on Mother's Day, I think. In fact, I was somewhere else, and I was thinking I was going to get back here, but time just wore on, and I didn't get a chance to get back over here. That's why I'm here now. I don't want this too close to the edge here for runoff. I'm gonna have to put some dirt back here. I don't like to do this without my gloves on because then your hands get all dirty and messed up and stuff underneath your fingernails. I don't like that. No siree, bub. No sir. Okay. Okay. So far, it's looking good, huh? You know, it looks like I need to add a little bit of dirt right over next to the plants that were already there. Yeah. Right in there, I can kind of fill that up with some of this dirt too, yeah? Make it look a little bit more nice. Let's see, this stuff has died a little bit. I'm hoping that's going to come back. And I could kind of take some of that dead stuff, help encourage the existing roots to grow in there where the other stuff was dead. You know, it'll kind of fill back in there. Okay, that'll kind of help it a little bit there, I think. Okay, just and see what I'm going to end up doing too is I can take some of the soil, the Miracle-Gro soil. I'll do that next, huh? First I'll get this kind of down in there. Oopsie. Oopsie. Put that in there. Maybe it'll still grow. I think it will. In fact. Now see, I didn't have to put any sprinklers in first. I just thought it would be better if I just went ahead and did this. Seems as though they weren't here to begin with. Yeah. Then I can put it in a second. Okay. So far, so good. Now I could put the drip irrigation in now, and then take the garden soil after and kind of put that around there. You could do it either way, you know. If you want to take the garden soil in there, just grab handfuls of it at a time. Don't pour it out of the bag. It's easier. You get a little bit more control if you just kind of put it in without spilling it all over the place, the entire bag. Let's say this will kind of cover up that the old concrete where they built this wall. The builders 10 years ago, 15, 12 years ago, they could have done a little bit better job there. The landscapers could have, huh? But they didn't. So now I'm going to. And I'm just going to keep putting a little bit around where it needs it. I don't have to put too much here. It just gives it a nice little look once the dirt dries. As well do that now. I can always, when I put the sprinklers, little drip in, I can kind of rearrange the dirt a little bit at that time too. Okay. Just take it in your hands like that and just, you know, do whatever you gotta do. It's fun. It's fun and relaxing to work in your yard. You know, you don't have to pay somebody else to do this. You could do it yourself in your spare time, after work, whatever, weekend, whatever you want. You know. Oh, it's nice, huh? Nice now. This has been sitting here for a few years. She had some little white stuff, kind of like this purple stuff, but it was white. and it was kind of sporadic in here because there was no drip irrigation. And she just thought, let's just get rid of it. She likes these, what did I say they were? Begonias? Begonia waxleaf bronze is what these are. She kind of liked this. Look, this will make this all nice and colorful in the summer, and it takes direct sun. That's what she liked. Always, you know, if you're ever unsure, just take whatever plant you look at, flowers you look at these little things, and it'll tell you a slew of information that you wouldn't have known. Okay? Okie dokie. Now, if I wasn't going to have any sprinklers in here, I'd give this a little watering right now, but I'm not going to do that because it's going to get all muddy. Okay, so there it is. That's your first step. Let's figure out how to get the sprinklers in there. If you're interested, keep watching my next videos. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.